Hello guys, let me show you something guys. You can see we got the buy now and also the confirmation. So let me open my positions. Sorry for that. Let me open my positions so that you can see how this thing works. Sorry for that. Let me open my positions. Let me open my positions. So never mind that. Let me hold my phone correctly. You can see there I'm still running at the loss. 1 minute. I'm still running at the loss right now. You can see there I'm still running at the loss. I just want to show you that this thing it is working. It is working. You can see, you can definitely see that I'm still running at the loss currently. So let me show you. You can see those are my losses. I'm still waiting for the spike to hit so that I can collect these profits, guys. You can see there. You can see there. You can see there. So I'm still waiting for the spike to hit so that I can take these profits, guys. You can see those are my losses, guys. And so for those who are willing to get themselves a copy, kindly WhatsApp +27 633 562830. That is the number that I'm using on WhatsApp and also on Telegram. For those who want to join my Telegram channel, kindly join my I'll put the link under the description. You can see there I added some positions so that I can stay on the profits. So this is the full margin, guys. I'm taking the whole risk, guys. I'm taking the whole risk, guys. You can see there. You can see there. Those are my positions, guys. We're currently waiting for the spike to hit. We're currently waiting for the spike to hit so that we can collect the profits, guys. Just take a look, guys. Just take a look. This is how easy and simple these indicators are trading. This is how simple these indicators are trading. You just wait for both your signals, which is the buy and also the confirmation error. Then you open your positions. It doesn't matter. Whenever you see the confirmation, then it doesn't matter. You can open with full margin, guys. You can open with full margin. You must make sure that you collect each and every profit. You can see there. You can see there, guys. You can see there, guys. This is what I'm talking about, guys. This is what I'm talking about, guys. This is what I'm talking about. You can see there. That is the initial spike there. You can see those are my profits, guys. Those are my profits, guys. Thank you. I'm out.